Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can programmatically disconnect from a signal in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So I'll keep things simple. I'll just create one 2D scene and I'll name this as game. I'll command S to save it. Then I'll create new scene over here, and what I'll do, I'll create one character body 2D and I'll create an area 2D. So first I'll create a character body, and here inside this I'll just add one sprite and I'll add one collision shape as well. So inside sprite I'll just drag and drop this Godot icon. Okay, and here I'll just name this as Godot. And for collision shape I'll just zoom in. This is my collision shape, and here I'll just write it as new rectangle shape 2D, and here I'll just make this a little bit bigger to match the size of our sprite. I'll command S to save and I'll save it. Okay, and I'll attach one script to this as well, and here I'll just add one process function then here I'll just add position.y plus equal to 100 multiplied by delta. Okay, command S to save it. Now I'll create one more scene, and here I'll just create area 2D. I'll keep things simple. I'll go back to 2D, and here I'll just add one collision shape and here I'll just add new rectangle shape, and I'll just expand this particular shape. Okay, over here and over here as well. So I'll command command S to save, and here I'll just type it as area 2D. Now what I'll do is I'll go back to our game, and here I will add two instances of Godot. So here is first instance and here is the second instance over here. Okay, somewhere over here. Now they will both fall, and they will fall on the area 2D. So I'll just add area 2D and I'll move it at the very bottom over here. Command S to save. Now what I want to do is I want to connect the body enter signal for area 2D, but as soon as the first one enters the body, I want to disable the signal or disconnect the signal for the second one. So I can go back to area 2D. I'll go to area 2D over here. I'll attach one script to this as well. I'll go to node. Okay, I'll click on area 2D, go to node, and here I can enter body enter. I'll click on connect, and for this Godot thing you can give it some class name as well, just to be on the safer side. If you have multiple character bodies, and I can just name this as Godot. You can give it whatever name you feel like. Go back to area 2D, and here I'm checking if body is Godot. Okay, then we want to for the first time when the first Godot thing collides, we want to do something, but for the second thing onwards we don't want to do something, right? So I can just print out something over here, print hello, and then I will immediately disconnect the signal. So for that, okay, we need to get reference to our area 2D as well. So I'll just drag and drop it over here. So this is the root scene, that's why it is written dot over here. Then here all I need to do is just get hold of my reference, area 2D dot body entered. So this was body entered, right? And we can just write disconnect. Now do remember, not all signals have this disconnect functionality. Like a button press does not have this. You will have to disable the button or hide the button, something like that, to completely do this. And here you just have to type the name of the method which you have written at top. Okay, now let's run the application. So I'll just go back to game, so that this is my root scene. Just save, run, select current, and here you can see when first scene collides, okay, I am getting hello. Now when second one collides, I don't get anything. So hopefully you got the point. That's how you can disconnect a signal programmatically in Godot game engine. Thank you for watching. Bye.